In a previous video, I showed you exactly how to connect your Figma design system to Claude Design. So this method works really well because Claude is able to learn from your visual designs. But what if you actually have a React application or code already? This method I'm showing you is way better, and that's because Claude can learn directly from your code and based off of that create a design system. Let's jump into it. So right now we are in the Claude Design interface, and to link a design system to Claude Design, you want to click here and create. So you can see that there are two methods. The method we'll be focusing on is create using Claude Code. So click on this. This is literally very simple. In 3 steps you can do this. Claude is telling you that you need to go over to the design system directory in your React application, which I'll be showing you shortly, and then you need to type in the Claude prompt, and this will open up Claude Code. And now all you need to do in Claude Code is to type /design-sync. So let me show you how this works. So I have a project here for a website that I did for a church, and it's called CCCI website, and I have my design system already created. I used Claude Code to create the design system for this website. So the first thing we want to do is to ensure that you're actually in that path. So I'm going to cd into design system, and now I can launch Claude Code. Just type Claude, and the final thing is to type in /design-sync, and you can see it. This literally pushes your React design system to Claude Design. So this will convert and bundle all your component code and storybook items. So this will actually take a couple of minutes for Claude to extract the entire components and files and folders in this design system. Let me show you exactly how this website looks like so you would understand how our design system should look like. This is exactly how the website looks like, and we are hoping that the design system that Claude will be generating will look something similar to this. Awesome. So after about 6.5 minutes, Claude Code is finally done syncing the design system here to our Claude Design. So let's check it out. I'm actually going to refresh the design systems here, and I expect to see this CCCI design system, which I can actually see it was added 5 minutes ago. So let's click into it and see what the design system really contains. This is literally the design system in Claude Design, and it's a markdown file. So you can see that it's saying building with the CCCI design system. We have all of the brand buttons, the section shell, all of these components, which I'm curious to actually see them. Let's actually go all the way to the components. So these are the components that I used and the components that are available in this design system. So we have a nice component preview right here, which is so good. So these are the buttons: gold button, the navy button, the outline button, the call out sections, the cards used. This is the card that interacts on hover states. This is a static card panel. Literally, this is the entire design system for CCCI. So after going through your entire design system, if it looks good to you, then you want to hit published, and you can set it as the default design system. For this, I'm just going to make it the default design system. So the next thing I want to show you is how to actually use this design system. So we're going to be building the exact landing page that we built in the other Figma video. So I'm going to be giving Claude Design the exact prompt. So I go over to the home page, and I see that the CCCI design system is what is already selected as the default design system, and I'm going to paste in the exact prompt. So I'm creating an AI Builder Summit 2026 landing page. So if you haven't watched my Figma video, then you want to pause and go back to watch that video. So I'm going to send this into Claude Design. So as usual, Claude is reading the design system to really understand all the design elements that it needs to include in this landing page. So good. So this is what Claude Design has come up with for the landing page, and you notice that all the elements and the components are very similar, right? This is the gold color of the button. This is the outline button it's using, and you can see the cards. These are the interactive cards that we had in our design system card components. You can see all the elements and the colors and the components from the design system are actually being used on this landing page. This is not just a generic design. Claude is now using the exact design system that it got from our React application. So this is literally how to connect your React application that has your design system to Claude Design. So now you start to get consistent designs that look like your design system. So go ahead and try it and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. My name is Esther, and on this channel I teach you how to work smarter and faster using AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.